Get ready for the 5-star luxury residential apartments in the heart of Dubai. And when I say luxury, it's not normal luxury. This developer is known for the timely delivery and incredible quality when it comes to the projects. Now, this location is Dubai Harbour area, which is the heart of Dubai and entrance of Dubai Marina. So when you enter the Dubai Marina is the other way, but this 3 towers just come in the beginning because this side goes towards the Emaar beachfront area. Now, why I'm here today to give you the exact location, because these apartments are facing towards the sea and marina. We have exclusive units under our company. Shobha is out of stock now because we and our people bought these units some time ago. Now these units are exclusive with my agency and we are offering incredible prices. So the tower will offer uninterrupted views of the sea, which is Dubai is famous for. Now the floor plate is designed in a way that on one floor, there is total 4 units of 2-bedroom facing towards the sea, palm and marina. Sizes starts from 1600 square feet, goes up to 22,023 square feet, which is incredible and huge for this location. And the best part is that it is smartly used for the living areas and master bedrooms instead of those big layouts, which is used in the terraces. Now we have 1 bedrooms, 2 types, 1 bedroom. Sizes starts from 850 square feet, goes up to 1150 square feet, which is again very big for 1-bedroom unit. Prices for 1-bedroom unit starts from 3.9 million dirham, goes up to 5.5 million dirham. And for 2-bedroom starts from 7.3 million dirham, goes up to 8.6 million dirham. The payment plan is structured in a way that it is 80% during construction and 20% at the time of handover. Since we have 2 years from now to complete, so we have that 80% margin to be paid during construction and we shall pay rest 20% at the time of handover. So I promise to bring you on the site and show exactly what kind of lifestyle and activities you will have. Here you see on this side is Dubai Ain View, which is a very attractive location. And behind me, you actually see just beside the mosque, the construction going on. I will take you to the exact project location. But why I am here to show you exactly the water and the yachts here, the tourists coming here, and the lifestyle of what people are attracted to this project, to this location. Over there are Emaar projects, which is over there are all Emaar beachfront community. So the building over there will have direct access to marina, yachts, water, sea, and palm. Some of the units will have canal views. Now let us go to the project exact site and let me show you what kind of construction is being done and how much time is expected to hand over. So what you see, this tower construction, this is Tower B. And over here, this one is Tower A. So Tower A, Tower B, another one which I showed you in the model that is on the left side, that is we still can't capture because there is a boundary here and I cannot go exactly, but this is Tower B. And what I wanted to show you is the construction update, and you see it is just beside your yachts, Marina Yachts Club. And W Residences, another project by Arada, is being constructed over on this side of the road. On the other side is the Mac Kawali Residences. That side is Emaar Beachfront. So this is the vicinity of the major developers of Dubai, the whole lifestyle amenities, and we discuss the total quality, the typology of number of bedrooms that we have here. And the construction phase is going very fast. You can see even in the hot summers, the laborers are still working and the progress is very fast on the site. So that was all what I wanted you to see. The total construction update, the location, amenities, and we have already discussed layouts, views, because we have some palm views, we have canal views, we have marina views. And we have Dubai Ain views as well. It depends on you what exactly you prefer. So this is the location of the project. I gave you in detail the construction phase. It's actively going on. The kind of views that you will have, yachts and marina. So That's all for today. If you are interested, my contact link is mentioned in the description box below, and share it with a friend who want this kind of lifestyle in Dubai and with such high quality luxury developer and luxury amenities. So see you in the next video. Thank you so much.